Let's make butter and yogurt drink. You're gonna need the following ingredients for this recipe. After 5 minutes of blending, the butter fat will separate from the yogurt. Use a cotton sheet to extract the buttermilk from the butter. Squeeze it until it's completely dry. That's your yogurt drink. You can refrigerate it up to 7 days. Add your butter into cold water and remove any remaining buttermilk. Later, in the next videos, we'll use the butter to make steak. I recommend serve the yogurt drink with oily food such as fried rice. We'll make it in the next video, so hit the subscribe button to get notified when I drop it. Catch you in the next video.